Hello viewers, this is Vishnuvardhan. Before going to watch this video, my sincere request is watch the video till the end. If you like my video, just click on the like button. If you want to give any suggestions to me, write your comment in the commentary box. Hi viewers, before we discussed about closure property, commutative property and associative property of three numbers, and let us discuss today about distributive property of rational numbers. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, that is a into b plus c. Here a is distributed between b and c. A into b and a into c. See, a into b, this plus symbol will come in the middle. A into c. Let us check whether this is equal or not. I am taking three rational numbers 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Here a is 1 by 2, b is 3 by 4 and c is minus 2 by 5. Now take left hand side. A into b plus c is equal to a is here 1 by 2 into b 3 by 4 plus c minus 2 by 5. Why I am keeping this minus 2 by 5 in the round brackets? Because the reason is plus and minus are coming one by one consecutively. So I am keeping this minus symbol in the bracket. Now 1 by 2 into 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. This 4 comes in 20 5 times. 4 5 is 20. See, 4 in 20. 4 5 is 20. That 5 and its corresponding numerator 5 and 3 15 plus 5 in 20. 5 and 20 how many times? 4 times. That 4 into this corresponding numerator, that is minus 2. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 plus or minus. You have to consider this bracket as into. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus 8 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 by 20. 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 20, 40. LHS, we got the answer 7 by 40. Now come to the right hand side. A into b plus a into c is equal to a is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, a into b plus a into c, c is minus 2 by 5 is equal to, when you are multiplying two rational numbers, you have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 1 into 3, 3 by 2 4 jar 8 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 5 jar 10. Now for the simplification, 3 by 8 again plus into minus, minus 2 by 10, 2 by 10. LCM of 8 and 10. LCM of 8 and 10. Start from it. LCM of 8 and 10. Check here. LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. Now check the first numerator, first fraction denominator is 8. 8 how many times in 40? 8 5 is 40. How many times? 5 times. That 5 into its numerator. 5 into 3. That is 15. Now, next fraction denominator is 10. 10 in 40. 10 how many times in 40? 4 times. This is 4 and numerator. 4 to the 8 minus 8. Answer is 7 by 40. That is HCM A into B plus C is equal to 7 by 40. A into B into A into C answer is also 7 by 40. This tells us that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This property is called distributivity over addition. Okay, see once again, for any three rational numbers A, B and C, distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, multiplication and addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. A into B plus C is equal to A into B, A into C. A is distributed between B and C, so that A into B and A into C. A into B and A into C. Okay. Now, distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. A into multiplication, here subtraction. A into B minus C is equal to, this A is distributed between B and C, so that A into B and minus A into C. A into C. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction is equal to A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Role of 0. What is the role of 0 in rational numbers? If A is any rational number, you add A to 0. What will happen? The answer is A. If you add 0 to A, what is the answer? A. Again, A is coming as the answer. See, if you add A to 0 or 0 to A, what will be the answer? A only. This is called additive identity. Additive identity means the same number is coming again. So we can call 0. 0 is the additive identity in the rational numbers. As I told you, 0 is called the additive identity for the addition of rational numbers. 0 is called the additive identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is also the additive identity for not only for rational numbers, it is additive identity of natural numbers and whole numbers also. The role of 1 in rational numbers. If you multiply any rational numbers, if you multiply any rational number by 1, the result is the same number, the same rational number will come again. Say, for example, A is any rational number, then A into 1 or 1 into A, you are getting the same answer A. A into 1, 1 into A, answer is A only. Identity means the same answer is coming again. So, we say that 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. 1 is not only multiplicative identity of rational numbers, it is multiplicative identity of whole numbers and natural numbers also. Okay, now let us discuss about negative of a number. Say 2 is a number. If I add this 2 with minus 2, what will happen? Let us see. 2 plus and 2 minus 2. We know that 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Another rational number 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 2. If I subtract a number from the same number, I will get the answer 0. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. So we can say that 2 is additive inverse of minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 is the additive inverse of 1 by 2. Listen once again. If A by B is any rational number, then a by b plus minus a by b. A by b plus minus a by b is equal to, reverse the numbers, minus a by b or plus a by b. Answer is 0 only. So a by b is negative of minus a by b and minus a by b is negative of plus a by b. Now reciprocal of a rational number b. For example, I am taking 2 by 3. I should get the answer 1. The number is 2 by 3. I should get the answer 1. By what number I have to multiply to get 1 as the answer? 2 by 3. I have to multiply this number by 3 by 2 to get the answer 1. Okay? If I multiply 2 by 3 with 3 by 2, I will get the answer 1. So, this 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2. Okay? But we say that C by D is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another non-zero number a by b, when if a by b into C by D is equal to 1. C by D will become the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. When it will become reciprocal or multiplicative inverse? If it is multiplied by a by b, then answer is 1. We can say that the C by D is reciprocal of a by b. Example, 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Why? Because when I am multiplying 2 by 3 with 3 by 2, I will get the answer. Just reverse them. Write in the inverse order. 2 by 3, it will become reverse 3 by 2. Another example, 5 by 6 is the reciprocal of 6 by 5. This 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2 and this 3 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 3. The same way 5 by 6 is the reciprocal of 6 by 5 and this 6 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 6.